And today we're going to take a look at the Summerset Sizzler Pro built-in grill. Constructed out of 443 grade stainless steel, the Summerset Sizzler Pro is available in a 32-inch size, which we're looking at today, and a 40-inch size. Let's dive into some of the features. Right off the bat, you'll notice that the Sizzler Pro barbecue is equipped with interior grill lighting, which illuminates the grill area for nighttime grilling. You'll also notice an LED lit panel that lights up the front knobs of the grill to give you indication of what temperature your grill is at. The Summerset Sizzler Pro uses commercial grade stainless steel cooking grates for the cooking surface. The stainless steel makes it a lot easier to clean than other surfaces and gives you a little bit more heat control than, say, a cast iron cooking surface. Underneath of the stainless steel cooking grates, you will find the ceramic briquettes. The ceramic briquettes do an excellent job of heating up and distributing that heat across the cooking surface of the grill. The briquettes are also extremely easy to clean because they're locked into the trays. Simply flip the tray over, place it over the burner, and burn off anything that builds up on the briquettes. Underneath of the ceramic briquette trays, you will find the cast stainless steel burner system. The Summerset Sizzler Pro uses a 14,000 BTU cast stainless steel burner that has a lifetime warranty. One of the signature features of the Summerset Sizzler Pro barbecues is the stainless steel zone divider that separates the grill into 4 distinct grilling zones, which means you can have the grill at 4 different temperatures and be cooking different foods at different temperatures all at the same time. It's a wonderful feature. The Sizzler Pro barbecues all come standard with the stainless steel warming rack. Behind that warming rack, you'll notice the ceramic infrared rotisserie back burner. The back burner there is used specifically for rotisserie cooking and is infrared, so you're able to get it up over 1,000 degrees in rotisserie chickens, pork tenderloins, and anything else that you'd want to cook on a rotisserie. The Summerset Sizzler Pro does have some options and accessories. One of the options that people like to go with is the rotisserie kit to accompany the infrared rotisserie back burner. The rotisserie kit includes the motor, the forks, the rod, and the brackets for rotisserie cooking. Additionally, the Summerset Sizzler Pro does have an infrared sear zone option. The infrared sear zone gets up over 1,000 degrees. It is an amazing burner for searing steaks, vegetables, and other meats as well. The Summerset Sizzler Pro barbecues are equipped with a piezo flamethrower ignition system. Simply press the knob and turn, and there will be a spark at each of the burners for ignition. It's very consistent and reliable. As you can see, there's a lot to like about the Summerset Sizzler Pro barbecue. If you're looking for a grill that has interior lighting, ceramic briquettes, and cast stainless steel burners, as well as upgradable accessories, then the Summerset Sizzler Pro might be the grill for you.